you recognize and appreciate the contribution of Davao City content creator. It is with great honor and pressure to stand here. But allow me to say, deepest gratitude and behold of our Davao City content creators who are here, that we will continue to abide the law. And of course, to continue creating a wonderful creations, not just promoting our unique culture and, of course, traditions, but of course, the humanity that we have here, the people of Davao City. Ako nagpasalamat ko for, nag-unmute ni kayo din. And to all my fellow content creators, ito lang ang masabi ko. Kung hindi maganda ang content, stop it. Masisira ang buhay mo. Thank you so much and God bless sa inyo lahat po. Thank you po.